Good evening, I'm Scott Schaefer.
And I'm Lisa Washington. We begin with tonight's sloppy weather and its impact on the first St. Patrick's Parade of the season.
Pittston's march is set to step off tomorrow morning. Newswatch 16's Jack Culkin joins us live from downtown Pittston. Jack.
Scott and Lisa, we're alongside South Main Street here in Pittston, where the freezing rain has been coming down pretty solidly now for about an hour. But according to parade committee members and businesses we spoke with, they're not letting Mother Nature dictate the fun they're going to have on their parade day. The roads surrounding the city of Pittston will be closing at 10 a.m. for the city's 10th St. Patrick's Parade.
So we have been watching the weather obviously very closely, and I've been talking with the mayor a lot, and he has assured me that we are absolutely having a parade. Whatever has to happen DPW-wise to clean it up, we will get it cleaned up. And weather-wise, it looks like by lineup and by parade time, it's really only like showers. So we can absolutely handle that. We're tough.
Whatever the weather brings, Lane Simconis and her grandson David expect big crowds at the parade.
It's something to do for families. It's a big family parade here. Last year we had snow. We were out shoveling. But, we don't expect it. We expect it to be okay.
Committee members and residents aren't the only ones excited for the parade. Businesses are geared up for big crowds and whatever Mother Nature throws their way. Workers at Tomato Bar and Bistro were busy preparing for what owners say will be one of the busiest days of the year.
The parade brings lots of happy Irish Pittston people, and no matter what the weather's like, they'll come out.
It will be the first parade for Ricasa Restaurant on North Main Street in Pittston. Assistant General Manager Stephanie Kashula says they have all 4 floors and all their staff ready to go.
Rooftop's going to be open as well, so it's going to be heated and cooled, so everyone's going to have a nice spot in here that they can just hang out, all the different floors that they can check on and check out the music that's going on as well.
Now the parade is set to kick off at 11:30 in the morning. It will begin a little farther down on South Main Street here in downtown Pittston and then make its way down to North Main Street following the green line in the center of the road, where eventually it will loop around onto Kennedy Boulevard, where just a couple blocks down it will wrap up. I'll tell you what, Scott and Lisa, with everything going on, I might just have to make a trip down. Jack Culkin at Newswatch 16, live in Pittston.